Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Dogecoin on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Dogecoin just like this and search for it. Now you can see the pairs of the Dogecoin. Now tap onto one that you want to buy just like this. Then to buy, tap onto the buy button at the bottom just right here. Now add the additional information about the cryptocurrency and you can simply buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy Dogecoin on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.